Prime Minister Laolian Malietole Watiapolata Ivan Fosti Schmidt urged cabinet to prioritize their health before he flew out for an overdue medical checkup in New Zealand. The Prime Minister chaired Cabinet's weekly meeting yesterday on the 15th of April 2026 and held further meetings in his office before leaving for the airport around 2:30 p.m. for a 4:30 p.m. medevac airlift to New Zealand. Laoli announced his departure in a social media post that his medical checkup in New Zealand was overdue. He said he was supposed to have checkups every 6 months, but have been delayed due to many commitments in the work of government. He also confirmed that he had been advised by doctors in Samoa who are monitoring his health that he needed a lot of rest. It has been 7 months since the Laoli-led Fast government took over in September 2025, and he said there has been a lot of work to do, including implementing development projects and introducing new initiatives to improve the country and face new global events that pose a threat to Samoa economically. Laoli had a major operation on his left ankle in New Zealand a few weeks after he was sworn in as Prime Minister in September last year. He was away for 8 weeks and missed his government's first budget that was passed in the shortest time available since early elections were called in August 2025, when the Fiamare-led government fell in a motion of no confidence in May. Laoli will be away for a week and the Deputy Prime Minister, Mulipola Anarosa Alemolio, has taken over as acting Prime Minister. If you are interested to read more of our stories, visit our news website on talamore.com. This is Jenny Benehuro of Talamore Media.